right, I got these little race car things. It's from ZOHANINDL. And, so, collection, different colors. Similar looking here. So, you know, painted up, little spoiler kind of thing, and the idea is they're supposed to pull back and roll. Alright, so, and they'll click when you get them pulled back too far. Alright, that's a bit of acceleration. So I'll have to go try them out and see how far they, you know, can really run on a thing on a nice flat floor. But we got these to give away. Every year we do some shoe boxes around Christmas time of toys and school supplies. They get sent around the world, and I thought these would be, you know, something fun to put in there, and something, you know, simple and a child anywhere around the world can play with. Of course, depending on if they have, you know, kind of a flat surface that's not too dirty. I don't know how these will work with dirt, but, you know, even so, fun for imagination and pretending they have a nice big fancy race car. So thought they'd be fun. Size wise, about almost 2 1/4 inches wide there, 3 1/4 inches long or so, and a little over an inch tall. So yeah, so something fun. Again, I'll go try them out on Go for Distance, see how they do, and hope that'll help you out. Take care. Have a good day.